blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey boys and girls, welcome to another road trip. Obviously we're not in the garage like we typically are when we start these videos. It feels like it's been forever since we've filmed. I'm sure it doesn't seem that way to you because of how we upload the videos, but it's been over 8 months since I've held this camera talking to you. So speaking of, obviously we're not in the garage, we're in the new van. So we've taken weekend trips with the van so far, but this is going to be our actual first long distance road trip over a period of time in the van. So to start this trip off, incidentally, we're actually on our way to an Airbnb. Kayla's brother Mike and his girlfriend Jess. Every year for the past 5 years or so, for Christmas they get the family like a trip. And we all go on this trip for a long extended weekend. And it just so happens that it's the weekend that starts our longer trip with the van. So just in case you don't remember who like Mike and Jess and the family are, the very first video that was uploaded to this channel was from one of those trips to Bushkill Falls in the Poconos in Pennsylvania.
You know the nut sauce?
No. I'm glad you're still recording.
You'll know what I mean in a minute.
And now we're heading to Lake George, New York. So for anyone who hasn't seen like what the van looks like and what it's all about, we actually uploaded a video of a complete tour of the van. So if you want, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a link in the description.
So for any of you that are watching that don't have us on Facebook, we actually decided to name our van, and it was John's idea. Brought me to tears because we decided to name it Caroline after my grandmother that passed away a couple years back. So right now what you're seeing, we're actually driving along the Great Sacandaga Lake. Back in the day, my brothers actually rode their bicycles around this. But it is not this part, but the part before was super choppy. Won't catch me out on that thing.
Here, I was probably gonna set up the tent somewhere.
Tent?
Stop! Stop! Are you going up to the tree house?
There's a tree house?
Yeah, it's right there. Take a right and go to the left.
All right, we're gonna check out the property. I guess there's a tree house. Look at this thing. Look. Pretty large property. Ugh. If you're wondering what I'm scooting around on, if you didn't know, I have a electric unicycle that gets me around. Check out the view of this place, man. Beautiful house, beautiful views. Got the, surprisingly, that's the Hudson River down there, if you can believe it. I'm pretty sure anyway. Not like the Hudson River, or what am I saying? It might be. I don't know. But it's called the Hudson River. So whether that's the one that leads into like down by the city. I mean, we're outside of Lake George, which is like northeastern, more eastern than north, but still eastern New York. So very well could be. I don't know. This is full. So the girls, minus Lisa, Kayla's mom, all went for a booze run and left us guys here to make dinner, which is essentially just pizza, wings, and french fries. which I don't have a problem with, but this is where we're gonna end the video, or at least this portion of it, until our festivities or activities, whatever, tomorrow. All right. Good morning. We're gonna start the day out heading to...
It's the Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center. It's in Chantilly, Virginia. That Discovery sure looks super cool. Plane behind me, it's an amphibious aircraft that was actually at the naval base when Pearl Harbor was attacked in 1941. You're looking at the booty of the Discovery. So 2 of these above us are unflown engine modules, but the one on the lower right flew 14 times. Flew on 39 Earth orbital missions, spent a total of 365 days in space, and traveled almost 240 million kilometers or 150 million miles. Now I found the booty of the SR-71.
Hey Kayla,
Lockheed Lane, what?
what sound does a plane make?
Boeing. This was a hot air balloon pressure cabin, and it reached a record altitude of 55,130 feet. It left from March 1st, 1999 from Switzerland. They landed in the Egyptian desert March 21st. They went 28,431 miles, completing the first non-stop flight around the world in a balloon.
That is the most historically significant plane in all of aviation history. That plane ended the Second World War.
So what'd you think of that, John?
Okay, so I completely forgot. I was so excited about the SR-71. Like, obviously, I was super excited about the Discovery shuttle as well. But, like, my number one I was excited for was the SR-71. Completely forgetting about the Concorde that was there.
But wait, there's more.
I did not know, you probably saw my excitement from the video, that the Enola Gay was there. Which, like I said earlier, is arguably the most historically significant aircraft in all of aviation history that ended the World War after dropping the atomic bomb on Hiroshima. Super, super surreal, was not expecting it, and it kind of blew my mind a little bit.
I was really excited to see the Discovery Space Shuttle. It was super cool. It's a really cool place. It's part of the Smithsonian, so you just pay for parking. It's free to get in. And there's a Shake Shack inside. We didn't indulge. a little sad about that. Didn't get French fries or milkshake, but
now we're gonna make our way to the Outer Banks to spend the night and explore the area tomorrow. So more to come.